What's up guys, welcome to another video. So yeah, look, no messing, let's get straight into the title of the video. I've got a confession to make. I did a video probably a few weeks ago now, the Battle of the Bags, deciding which was better between the Think Tank Streetwalker bag and the Lowepro ProTactic 450 bag. Now, you remember at the end of that video, I made a big dramatic outro and I walked out the room with the Think Tank bag on and I said that the Lowepro was on eBay. Well, yeah, I've got a confession to make. Now, before we start confessing, don't forget to like the video. I don't always lie to you guys, I promise. In fact, I didn't lie to you guys at all. And if you hold fire and watch the video, you will see exactly what I mean. I did not lie to you guys at all. I would never ever do that. Before we get into the content of the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Liking the video helps me out a lot. Look, talking transparently with you guys, liking the video gets it kind of higher rated on YouTube, which means they're more likely to share it, more likely to share it with other people, which means it helps the channel out loads, it helps us grow. The more the channel grows, the more time I can dedicate towards it in the videos and everything else. That's why I ask you to like the video every time. That's why every YouTuber asks you to like the video every time, even if they don't tell you that's the truth. So please do like the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Loads of other videos on my channel and loads more videos to come. So it's all about gear and it is all about a bag, and it is to explain to you guys why I have a bag that I told you I was going to get rid of. Now, 100% truth. That bag went onto eBay at the end of me filming the other video. I put it on eBay, I listed it. And I actually got a couple of offers for it. I put it on a buy it now price and I got a couple of offers. But there was something nagging in my mind about the bag and about how useful it was that you can do this. That you can have the bag and you can swing it around the front, and that you can just unzip this pouch to get your gear out. There was something about that just nagged in my mind. And the fact that you can't do that with the Think Tank. You have to take it off your back, you have to put it down. And I like that so much that it was an overriding factor for me in terms of whether or not a bag was good. Now, don't get me wrong, I still stand by the fact that there are some big problems with that bag, which means I cannot use it for my professional work. I'm going to show you the biggest issue I have with the bag right now. Let's have a look. Okay guys, so the biggest problem I had with this bag is that I do not feel it is designed for a Pro Body or 1DX. If I put it in this side, for example, which is in the top section there, it's so like fiddly to get in and out. You have to kind of almost wrestle it through the hole. And, oh god, that's just so awkward. To get it out of this like top section is a real nightmare. And if you put it down in this section here, it's much easier to get in and out, but then you can't fit it through the side flap, which means you have to take it out the top, and when you've got your laptop in there, you can't close it properly. You're then like wrestling with this zip, and it's an absolute nightmare. For me, that bag is not designed to have a Pro Body, a 1DX or a 1DX2. So you see what I mean? And that means that I couldn't use it for like my basketball games and my football games and all my jobs I go to where I need all that gear. But what I can use it for is the stuff where actually it comes into its own. So I'm due to go on holiday real soon. We're going to Spain, the south coast of Spain, and I plan on doing quite a lot of what I love, which is some landscape photography. And actually, the fact that I could walk around and get something out my bag without having to put my bag on the floor could be really valuable to me. Now, the other big things that come in, I won't be taking my laptop with me when we go on that trip. I won't be taking my 1DX. I'll be taking my Canon 70D, just one camera. It's a smaller one. It's not the Pro camera, so it's not as deep. So I won't have any of those problems with that space. I'll only be taking two lenses, my 24-70. In fact, probably even just that one lens. I was going to say my 70-200, but I want to try and make it lightweight. So I probably will actually try just the camera my 24 to 70 and some filters and stuff. And then I want some room in the backpack for my other personal stuff that I take on holiday, you know, some clothes, some passport, all that kind of stuff. So it could actually be the perfect bag for that trip. Now, I'll stand by the fact that the Think Tank is the better bag, and I absolutely will be owning the Think Tank. It's right here. And I will be using that for all my professional jobs in the upcoming season. But there was something about that bag that I just couldn't let go, and I think it's worth me keeping hold of it for now. I might still sell it in a couple of weeks. I won't be able to sell it for as good a price because it won't be new anymore, it will be used. But I just want to see how it goes for a few of my personal bits and some of my landscape photography I do and stuff like that. So in the theme of a more traditional Gearing Tips Tuesday, it's a shorter video. That is all for today. I hope you guys will forgive me for kind of not... Well, look, you know what, even I stand by it. I didn't lie and I didn't mislead you guys, because at the time, that is genuinely what I was going to do. And after I posted that video online, I absolutely did go and put that bag on eBay. But still, right now I've got it, and I was going to tell you guys sooner that I still had it, but I kind of thought, oh, but people would be mad at me because I put that video out and I told them I was going to sell it, but then I just thought, this is silly, it's you guys, so I thought I would share that info with you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that like button if you did, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys. We've got a new video coming on Sunday, I will see you guys right then.